Hey guys, here's your reading video. Last video for Monday, April 27th, 2020. Do not panic. Hopefully you're not panicking about anything, but do not panic when you get onto the reading course this week and your eyes aren't tricking you. You will be in Unit 1, Week 2. We're going to do a review week this week. We're going to do a couple review weeks. And that's what we'd be doing for in school, but I would have done them in like the last couple weeks. So we're going to hit one this week, and then we'll get back to Unit 6 next week. So don't be confused. It is not an error that I wrote down Unit 1, Week 2. So tomorrow you'll be doing your vocabulary, and it'll look funny again. It'll say pages 34 and 35. You will go over the vocabulary words there again. If you want to challenge yourself and try to guess what the vocabulary word, the review is not going to hurt you, and it'll be interesting to see how it goes. But if you want to try to guess what the vocabulary words are from back in August or early September, go ahead and give that a whirl. The same thing, please go over the vocabulary words and then listen to the story or read the vocabulary story that gives you the words in context. And then you will use a Google Doc again, number 1 through 8. And we're getting the routine down pretty well now. Whatever bubble you fill, and that's the letter you want to write down. You can keep all of that open, keep the story open, even use the vocabulary book pages, the vocabulary pages that have 1 through 8, the 4 in one page and the 4 in the other, page 34 and 35. If you want to do that, that's fine as well. Because again, things have been different for a while now. Anyway, so review week. The stories are written down there. I don't have them written right here, but with the vocabulary starting tomorrow, you'll have a vocabulary story, but it won't have a title. It'll have some sort of title to it. But anyway, don't worry about those things. Don't worry about being review. It'll just help us close out the year. And again, we still got like five and a half weeks left, but we're going to have to hit a review one, and so we're going to hit one right now, and that'll be that. Again, the reading is going smoother than the math, and I think that's because of the routines prior. Don't be afraid. Again, I don't want to talk about math, but anyway, don't panic when you see it's review week. That is on purpose. Have at it. Vocabulary words, 8 of them. Don't do any questions in the text, but do it on the worksheets that are there. And I do have an example of what those Google Docs are to look like for a couple of you that are still being funny with them, but much better last week. Anywho, that's the biggest thing. Don't be concerned when you see it's back in August, which would be good, but it's not August, so congratulations with that. Anyway, work hard, read carefully, pay attention to the questions. Have any questions, send them to me. Hope you guys continue to have a good Monday, and I'll be communicating you with email. Take care. Bye.